tan. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình. Tình 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 tang tang tình tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình. Tình 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 tang tang tình tang tình mình tình tan 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 tình. Anh tính sao sẽ để anh tính sao?
Ayan.
Parang caterpillar si kapatid.
Look at that. The sunrise. Ah. Oh my. So pretty. Oh. Grabe. Wow. Dito kami sa beach, Batangas. La Ilia, Batangas.
Good morning, good morning. Yeah, we have show here sa Laia, Batangas. Parang gusto kong mag-swimming. Kaso hindi pwede kasi I need to perform by 8:20 a.m. So, no. That's not possible. Gusto ko rin mag-swimming sa pool. Kaso, problem is, after ko mag-show, that will be 9, I think. 9:30. Ma-8 na yung araw nun. Tirik na. Bawal tayo masyadong maitim. So, negative din. Next time na lang. Ganda naman ang paligid.
Yay! Oh, diba? Ganda! Wow! Ganda naman! Sunrise! Yay! Tulog ka? Lakas oh. Uy, hindi ako ganyang humilik ha.
Pero bibilig ka.
Ano lang, cute. Cute lang na hilik.
Bilig pa rin.
Sunrise! Yay!
Bas, dito ka, dali. Dali, bas, dali.
Ano? Yung sabon. Yung sabon mo pang katawan eh.
Ano, sabon.
Video pa rin siya, oh.
Sunrise!
Oh, di ba? Yung pinto, girl.
Ano ka makatulog? Nauna to, sumunod naman to, ay wala na.
Ang lakas ng bilik ni kapatid.
Oh, diba?
Huli-huli sa camera.
Pagod na pagod siya.
I'm ready.
Activities and
Yung mic ko
surprises
paalala mo,
para sa
yung
inyong
mic ko.
lahat. Handa na ba kayo?
And of course, speaking of pasabog, kasama natin si Sex Bomb Cheche!
Ay, gusto ko yan!
Sino makakita? At syempre, ang kalog, beautiful and talented.
Talaga naman, tumaronas ng OPM rap. Makikising ano talaga tayo dyan, amiga, di ba?
Oh, for sure, yan ang Honda. Di mo nga sumaya magalaw at makisaya pa tayo for this summer. Lalo hanggang 4. One Honda! Sabay-sabay tayo! One Honda, okay?
Tapos sasabay natin sa dulo ng one Honda! One!
Grabe! So hot!
Ayun, exciting! Kailangan, without further ado, let's give it up for the one and only Sex Bomb Cheche! We run this mother! Yeah! Typical and all of the type of you, I wanna be me too. Wanna be me too. Wanna be me too. If I was you, I wanna be me too. Wanna be me too. Wanna be me too. If I was you, I wanna be me too. Wanna be me too. Wanna be me too. If I was you, I wanna be me too. Wanna be me too. Wanna be me too.
Thanks so much. So this time, we're gonna play. I need 5 participants for this game. Mama, papa, or kahit sino. Basta magaling sumayaw, magaling gumiling, marunong mag-dangling. Are you ready, guys? Hindi ko marinig. Are you ready? Ang gagaling. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga participants. Thanks so much. Sino sa tingin nyo ang panalo for this time? Anong number? Anong number? How about our bosses? Who's the winner for you guys? What number? What number did you choose? Nako, nahihirapan ng ating mga judges. Okay, how about the CEO of Creative Moves Events? Ito talaga ang pinakamalupit. Ano ang number na panalo for you? What? Meron tayong tie. Number 2 and 6. Thank you so much sa ating mga hindi nanalo. Maraming salamat po. Number 2, stay ka lang po. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you po, thank you po. 2 and 6, dahil meron tayong tie, kailangan nyo mag-showdown. Ito na ang ating showdown. Music, please. Hey, 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 public. Whoa. Alright. Napakagaling namang gumiling nun. Lalaking taong galing gumiling. Grabe naman. The winner for today is number 6. Thank you, Mami. Anong gusto niyong prize si Papa number 6?
Kiss!
Ano? Hoy! Saan? Saan? Okay. Alright, sige. Kiss. Pawis-pawis ako Okay. So, sino kikiss? Ikaw na lang. Pwede ba music? Ayan. Okay, go kiss. Buti ka na yun Okay, go. Alright, thank you so much, Papa number 6. And also you have mini umbrella from me. Okay, this is for you. Thanks so much. Palakpakan po ulit natin mga participants. And thanks so much. Alright, before I do my last dance, my last singing dance, I would like to say thank you again to Honda Philippines. Thank you so much for inviting us. And of course, again, to Creative Moves Events. Thank you for bringing me here, friend. I love you. Okay, this is it. Okay, do you want more? Do you want more? Alright, music please.
Don't borrow, take it to the chorus. Ooh, wanna rock with Jenny? Keep your head down, nails done like Jenny. Ask God, I'm obsessed like Jenny. Like Jenny. I think I really like Jenny. Haters that don't really like Jenny. Cause they can never ever be Jenny. But have you ever met Jenny? It's Jenny. But have you ever met
just meet me at the Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the. Thank you so much, everyone. Hey, that's it. Sex Bomb Cheche, ladies and gentlemen. Iba talaga ang galawang Sex Bomb Cheche. Mamaya
So, dalawang po tayo ang mga ilang monthly reminders po sa atin. Mag-enjoy po tayo dahil
Ang galing ng
start po natin, pero lagi po tayo maging mga harap at saka sa likod dahil meron pong
Thank you, Max. Thank you, kapatid. Napakanta na yung fruit.
Picture na, picture!
Dali kayo! Ay, hindi kami saan.
Sinap nila lang po.
Ay, kita.
1, 2, 3. One more pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Kuya. Oh, bye-bye, ate!
Yes, yes! Okay naman. Bye, everyone!
Bye, ate! 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Sige po, ate!
Diba? We're leaving now!
Uy!
You're so maingay. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Let's go na. Let's go na. Let's go. How about this one? Bye everyone. Bye beach. Bye La Ia, Batangas. We're done. Ay, ito na nga. Ito na nga. No po. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you po. So we're done. Ay, may ano. May kambing. Kambing yan. That's kambing.
Kambing yan.
pusan.
That's not pusa. Meh. Kapatid.
Park na dito.
Malayo ang parking dito.
Iba naglalakad mo.
Grabe, rough road talaga dito. Ay, ano, ayan. Ay, grabe. Ang dami, oh. Kaya pala, madaming tao. For leaving! Yay! Kapatid and Max!
Bilang bilyon kayo. Bilyon nyo sa akin.
Sa ganda ng ano, oh. Oh, so nice. Grabe, ganda. It's lunchtime, so we're gonna eat here at Ben's Halo Halo Ice Cream. go. Where's Box? Box? Ha? Naawa na ako, sir. What happened to you?
Chinelas mo, nasa unahan mo.
What happened?
Chinelas mo, pag sinip ko, wala. Nakita ko sa unahan mo, tinatago mo, no?
Wait, hindi ah. Paano ka ba ngayon doon?
Ako sa'yo.
I didn't know. It's not my fault. Ay, wow. Ang ganda naman ng place. Look at the place. Look at the place. Oh, social. Kapatid, say hi, kapatid. Oh, para ka nasa beach. Ano ba to? Buffet? Where's Box? Box dito?
Sa buffet.
Saan ba tayo order dito?
Pili kami sa sinod.
Pwede na tayo diretso dun. Ay, okay. Sige.
1 hour later.
No, kuya.
1 eternity later.
Coffee spot.
Nahiya si lumapit baka ganito ang tawag.
Patingin ka ng maso. Uy! Ayun po yung kaibigan ko, hindi na mapagod. Alam ko po kung bakit wala ganyan po siya ka-energy. Kasi po, nag-show po ka.
Wow! Ang ganda naman ng hot choco. Hot choco. Ano sa'yo? Ice Americano, kapatid. How about yours?
I don't know. Kasi
It's choco. It's
wala na akong energy.
double choco frap.
Gusto mo?
Wait lang. Double choco frap. Yeah, nag-stop over muna tayo dito kasi sobrang antok mas si kapatid. Kaya then nag-TikTok na rin tayo para mas mawala yung kanyang antok. Alright.
Talo ko, talo. Kasi yung dalawa nag-ihiling. Kala mo eh. Ayun na ba kung
Ay, wow. Thank you.
Kasi pag malayo, tatamarin ka rin sa island.
So, let's drink this. I thank God every day. I woke up feeling this way. I can't help loving myself. And I don't need nobody else.
Should leave the door open?